A time that someone made me feel stressed was my senior year of high school. I went to see my counselor for my graduation checkup, and he told me that my science grade had been dropped from an A to a B because one of my final papers had been marked as missing, even though I know I turned in that paper. So I felt like this was very unfair. I was very stressed out because I had high hopes of graduating with high honors as summa cum laude, which would allow me to graduate in a white graduation gown. I addressed the situation pretty well because my counselor allowed me to voice my issues with the teacher directly and gave me a chance to solve my own problems. My teacher then told me that he could change my grade if I could show him proof that I did turn in the paper. And a few days prior, he had passed out the graded papers back to the class. But unfortunately, when I got back home, because I had figured I was done with classes, I started emptying out everything from my backpack, throwing papers away that I thought I didn't need anymore. So I got a little stressed out because I couldn't find it. I was going through my backpack. It was not in any of my folders, binders. I then decided to look in my desk drawers, and I eventually found it in one of my drawers. So I was able to present the paper to the teacher, and he did change my grade and bumped it back up to an A. I think this experience really helped me learn how to be persistent, especially in graduate school. I can be persistent and make sure I keep a solid mind with my educational and professional goals. I also will learn to keep good records of my assignments because I know this can happen to anyone, even professors in college, because I know they have a lot of students to keep track of. So thank you for your consideration.